Hi, it's Dane with DS Diving Service. It is August 24th, 2018. We're here at the vessel Orca. I have replaced your max prop Zinc, which I'm going to show you. I have only cleaned one blade of the three of the propeller. I cleaned the starboard side of the strut, and I cleaned the portion of the shaft behind the Zincs. We are going to clean the rest of it up, but I just wanted to show you this video as a comparison to show you kind of what the growth rate is looking like down here. We'll start with the new Zinc, then we'll move to the clean blade versus dirty blade, then we'll move to the clean side of the strut versus the dirty side of the strut, then the clean shaft versus the dirty side of the shaft. Let's take a look. Let me go ahead and get you cleaned up the rest of the way. Oh, also, I ran tools through every single through hole on the boat, and they are all cleaned out very good. I know you said it was the starboard midship one that was giving you trouble, but the one back here where the two are together, that was the most